This is an unusual one. A little touch further up the road there's a cyclist, and when we get close to them you might notice he's on his mobile phone. Now, I've got my opinions on this, but does anyone know the legalities behind it? I wasn't actually sure until I've looked it up. What do you think?
Get off your phone, mate. Isn't that 3 points? That would be 3 points. I honestly have.
Well, you're not allowed to ride your bike when you're pissed.
Seriously? I don't know about the phone though.
I'm not sure about the phone, but I know you can't. You get done for riding a bike pissed.
Yeah, I know. I've seen that in the. I've seen it on the news, to be honest. But phone on a bike, is that? You don't get points if you've not got a license. He's not necessarily got it. You can't give him points on his driving license for that one, could you?
Well, they do it as like a public order offence or something because it could be dangerous.
Interesting one.